Hi, it's Anthony from ocuplay.com, and if you're looking for a soft strap alternative for your Oculus Quest 2 soft strap, I have a great new accessory from VR Cover that might interest you. So keep watching for my review. So today we're looking at the VR Cover head strap replacement for the Oculus Quest 2. This is an ergonomic adjustable strap that improves the wearability of the headset, and it's also made to improve the overall comfort over the default stock strap that comes with the Quest 2. The strap can be adjusted in more of the ways than the stock strap offers, and it gives anyone with a bigger head a way to get more comfort out of this strap too. In the box you get the replacement head strap itself and a paper instruction guide on how to fit it onto your Oculus Quest 2 headset. The strap itself comes in 3 parts, a T-strap, and 1 short and 1 long strap. Its installation guide is quite complex, and it took a video from VR Cover to explain what its paper instruction manual didn't achieve that clearly. So let me show you how to put this head strap together, and I'll return afterwards with my overall impressions. Right, so here we have everything that comes with the head strap replacement kit from VR Cover. You've got the paper manual, which is a little bit useless. You've got the main T-strap, and you've got a large and a small strap that attaches to the T-strap, and then you've got 2 sidebars that attaches to the headset. So you won't be using this, it's absolutely useless. I got this for a prototype and I just really couldn't get around how to attach it. I had to rely on a video, and after watching that video it made a lot more sense, but there are a few extra bits that I found. So let's get going. So they get you to do these pieces first. So on the actual Quest headset here, you take your face interface off, and then we attach the sidebars. The VR Cover is pointing upwards, so this one is for the right side, and then this one is facing down, so that way they're always upright when you actually look at it. And that is the face mask side of things. Next we get the T-strap. So what you've got to remember is that this T-strap has to go on the right way. So this little bit of rubber here, there's only one side, it's got stitching on one side here, and the rest of it is a rubber material which is meant to go on the back of your head to stop it from sliding up and down. So you need to make sure that that rubber bit is facing the mask that way. So rubber bit facing the mask, and then we basically put these straps through like that, and then you pass this part back through the headset. So make sure it's upright. So the Velcro side up, and you pass it through. Now their Velcro is a lot thicker than the soft strap Velcro, so it takes a little bit of force. Don't worry, you're not going to break it. This little plastic bit has had so much punishment over the last couple of months for all the different straps that I've attached to it. So that is pretty much the beginning of the strap. So we loop that back over and just attach it. You've got all this Velcro part here for it to attach to. It won't attach to this part here because it's a bit of a different fabric. Now, this is where I got wrong, and this is basically what this means. You've got 2 Velcro pads, one facing sort of inwards and one facing outwards. So the outwards one we need to attach first. Roughly, let's say this is back here for your head, because this is a trick. You really need to make sure that you make this loose enough to get it on your head. If you make it too tight, this strap is so solid that it's going to be a bit tricky to get it attached. So we'll do it roughly about here. So tab on the right hand side goes first, so we attach it roughly about there, and then we attach this around the back like that. Now, this being on the inside, this makes it a little bit harder to adjust, this one. So you might want to play around with where this one starts. You might want to bring it further that way, so you've got more adjustment on this outside one, because that's the one you've got easy reach for once this is on your head. So this is basically mimicking the soft strap now. You've got this loop part, which is a bit awkward because you can't really sort of tuck it in. But you've now got these straps here, big one, small one. So if you've got a massive head, obviously choose this one. Small head to medium head, I think this is good enough. It gives you enough room, I believe. So we won't be using the large one, because otherwise you've got lots of excess. Going back again, sorry. You need to undo this strap again and pass this through it. Now, this has to go pointing upwards because the top strap's got to go through here. It's got to go down, it's got to loop underneath and then fasten on top. If you went it the other way, then you're going to get these tabs on the inside of your head, and that's going to be uncomfortable. So you need to pass it down and through. So this part goes through with this part facing upwards. So with that on the top strap, we put it back through. So now we've got the top strap attached. Now these bits, you can now go ahead and probably attach this, keeping this one on the outside and not inside here, because this needs to move about a bit. So once that's attached and you bring that fully out, that should be enough for your actual head shape. And for here, you can do two things. You can either come fully on the inside and bring it round and then attach it. So that's one way of doing it. And that keeps this band together, which is quite nice. Alternatively, I'll show you on this side, you can come through the middle like that, bring it round and then attach it. What I would recommend is go through the middle, because you do get that extra headset support by having this strap come down and on the back of your neck. So that's what I would prefer you to do. I reckon that's give you the best comfort. So with all that done, you put the face mask back on. This is the AMVR facial interface kit. And that's pretty much the strap. Unfortunately, it's a little bit all loose here. It'd be nice if they gave you some tabs or something to connect this all together. That would have been a nice touch. It's this part of strap, which is on the underside of your head. And then that is your sort of like baseball cap mount. So if you play with this is going to raise the headset up and down slightly on top of your head. Just make sure that this is on top of your ears and parallel to this bar here at the back of your head. And then you can just bring that down slightly and then play around with these straps to cup the back of your head, basically. So that's pretty much it, the replacement soft strap from VR Cover. Let's get back to the studio and I'll show you my impressions. So here is the VR head strap replacement fitted onto my Quest 2. How it attaches to the Quest 2 and also around your head is pretty unique, but due to its complexity, it can be overwhelming with all the many adjustment points you have available to you. The VR cover straps are not as elastic as the stock strap is, so getting these straps right for your head can be a bit of a challenge at first. It helps to have all of it loose at first, and then whilst wearing it on your head, you can play around with the Velcro points to get the best fit for your head shape. When you get all the straps right, the headset feels very solid on your head, and it certainly makes it more stable on your head than the stock strap does. My main worry though is that once you get the straps perfect, you wouldn't want to share it with anyone else. as you would have to go through all the adjustment again with them, and then once again after you put it back on your head. The soft strap was really good at this, but this VR cover replacement is really suited if you are the only wearer of it. I like the idea of having part of the strap cup the lower part of your head. This part adds to the overall support of the headset over the soft strap, but to get this lower strap to the back of your head, you really need to place it over your ears, which adds a little bit of discomfort from the strap. In the end, to get this strap away from my ears, I found that I had to wear this lower strap close to the horizontal band of the strap. So if it attached more at the back of the strap, I think it probably would have been a lot better and more comfortable around the ear area. The VR cover head replacement strap for the Oculus Quest 2 retails for $24 from VR cover directly, and you can check out the links below to buy it. If you have broken your stock strap, getting a replacement with an official stock strap will cost you $19. So I'm not all that sure if this strap is really worth that extra cost if you're happy with the stock strap. Its many adjustment straps offer you lots of extra comfort, and it does give extra support for the headset itself than the stock strap does, but its cost is halfway to an Elite strap, which offers better support and easy adjustable support for multiple wearers. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, then hit that like button down below and let us know what you think of this stock strap replacement from VR cover. Is this an accessory for you? Let me know if you prefer the stock strap too, and why. If you're looking for more head strap ideas for your Quest 2 headset, then you can watch my head strap review playlist here. Hit that subscribe button below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.